Okay everyone, weekly outlook for the 23rd of June. So looking at DXY, once again, as you can see, we have traded down into this low, which is a weekly OB, which has given us a very nice reaction, clearing its last phase of redistribution, which obviously became a breaker. This is a very clear swing low, short-term low, intermediate term low, another short-term low. Price is now on the buy side of the curve. Seeing this daily OB provide support, and if we go a bit closer, zoom in, we can see we have managed to close above this OB here, which is a daily CSD. So I believe this OB now, OB slash BPR slash BISI, which is a bullish FEG, now provides support to send us higher into our doll, being 106, 170, which is our equal highs here. So overall, DXY looks very clean, just following order flow. We are on the buy side of the curve, so there's no reason to expect any reversals here. Going into EU on a daily time frame, as you can see, we are in a market maker sell model. We are on the sell side of the curve. Up close candles are supporting the direction of price. So this candle here, which is a breaker block, followed by this IOF candle. Price traded up into this candle and now obviously purged lower, dropping down onto the 4-hour time frame. Excuse me for this mess. We are again, so hang on, if I show you this more macro market maker sell model, we are on the exact same idea. We are on a 4-hour market maker sell model within inside a market maker sell model. So hopefully that's not too confusing to understand. Original consolidation, low risk buy, accumulation, smart money reversal inside of our daily SIBI. We did get 4-hour SMT with GU. Displaced lower again, following IOF. This up close candle provided significant resistance. Now this was end of Friday's price action, which we're probably not going to get that much movement, so which leads for a very nice power of 3 play into our 4-hour SIBI. So accumulation, manipulation into this IOF candle slash SIBI, and then obviously distribution down to our lows here, 106 670 and 106 500. Pound. So pound still following order flow. Bit of a different situation there with euro. We do have a weekly BISI. On EU we have negated that, so we need to be a bit more mindful of GU, that we are in a bullish PD array, which and we do have sell side liquidity resting above a bullish weekly OB, so we'll just need to be mindful of that. However, on the daily time frame, I have no reason to believe this is a smart money reversal until we start clearing phases of redistribution. So for now, we'll continue to hold the framework for lower prices. So keeping it simple, following IOF, I would like to see price trade above the weekly opening, week opening price, into this daily SIBI slash BPR, to then trade towards this weekly OB slash previous week's low. GBP chef, starting on a monthly time frame, just to give some context. You can see we're a very aggressive downtrend on the yearly time frame. Most of the premise has been attacking previous year's low. However, last year was an inside range candle. Basically means we didn't sweep the previous year's low or high. So this normally means the year following that we sweep both sides of the range. So first quarter slash second quarter, we've traded above the yearly opening price, taking out the high, which now means the draw is previous year's low and this low down here. So into this imbalance, dropping down to a monthly time frame, failed to close above this high here, and now we are starting to see some bearish momentum. So I will hold this previous month's low as the draw, 116 as the draw, weekly time frame. So yeah, we purchased high, and now we have got bearish SIBI stepping into the market, and we have equal lows here, 116, and this SIBI. So this would make for a very nice power free play, bit like EU. Oh, I've already drawn on there. So yeah, accumulation, manipulation into this BPR / SIBI to then get distribution. A Tuesday high of the week profile would be ideal. Which pair have I not gone over? Okay, yeah. Right. USDCHF. Obviously, you guys and girls, you saw the premise for higher price on DXY. This is a US leading pair, so you know we are bullish on this currency. So USDCHF has traded down into our weekly OB. As you can see here, we are on the buy side of the curve. We have just traded down into internal range liquidity to now trade back out to external range liquidity. The biggest thing here for me was seeing this last phase of redistribution. You can see the equilibrium, held for price, and now, like I said, we are just retracing back down into this OB. So on the day time frame, we have a very, very clear last phase of redistribution, and we've also negated this bearish SIBI here. So ideally, what I like to see, if I draw like this, so this is this short-term low, this is this intermediate term low, and if we can form this short-term low here, creating this swing low fractal, and then get speed above this, let me draw actually, speed above this high. So yeah, this is it. Okay, yeah, so down into the SIBI. Let me make it green so you guys make it clear. So yeah, trade down into the SIBI, giving us a swing low fractal, and then closing above this high. Obviously this will then create buy side imbalances on the low time frame, which we could scale down on to then solidify we are on the buy side of the curve, and then target our high here at 0.92. Gold, yeah, I really like gold. Monthly time frame, this is obviously all-time highs. This is no man's land. Obviously seeing this rejection, it means we need to start rebalancing some ranges. So the first PD array that I'm looking at is this monthly buy side imbalance. We have equal lows resting above that. As you see, price traded up into this SIBI, giving us a very nice reaction, and then traded up into this OB, again giving us a nice reaction. We've now had a change in state of delivery on this OB, which I believe holds to then send price lower down into this weekly BISI. Let me just go on the 4 hour to give you guys and girls a better view. Let me move that way. So yeah, I would like for price to trade above into this last phase here. Oh, excuse me. Last phase of accumulation. This is also obviously a SIBI. So yeah, trade higher. Spotting either a failure swing or a breaker. Inside this area, this is where you'll want to look for SMT with either silver or gold euro. Should we get this formation with SMT, this should be a very, very high probable trade scenario. And look, we have all this liquidity to target. All this liquidity here. So yeah, it's a very clean setup. I believe that's all the pairs for this week. Obviously, for those who are inside our group, our premium group, I say premium, that's probably the wrong word to use. Inside our trade ideas group, obviously you guys and girls will be updated as the days come along. If you're not inside, we have a 10-day free trial, so please do come along, and hopefully you'll find the value that everyone else does. So yeah, super.